Listen up. If you are busy and your belly is growing, here is your easy meal prep for busy professionals like you. I know how relentless your schedule can be, back-to-back meetings, deadlines, and barely a minute to breathe, let alone cook. But let me tell you something. There's no excuse for eating rubbish when you can whip up a week's worth of high-protein, fat-melting meals in the time it takes to scroll through your inbox. Today I'm bringing you 4 power-packed recipes, each designed to torch belly fat and fuel your day without any culinary faff. We're talking flavor, speed, and pure efficiency. No bland chicken, no sad salads, just quick, bold, and satisfying meals that you can prep in under 10 minutes. Imagine stepping into your kitchen, hearing that steak sizzle, slicing through juicy peppers, and packing it all into sleek containers that are ready to grab and go. That's what we're doing here. So, whether you're hustling in the office or grinding at home, these are the meals that'll keep you sharp, lean, and absolutely unstoppable. Let's get that pan hot, knives sharp, and start today. Ready? Let's go. Right, first up, the Smoky Paprika Chicken Power Box. This is a heavyweight champion in the world of meal prep. 480 calories, 46 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fiber, all done in just 9 minutes. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel like you've just leveled up your lunch game. And trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breast. Get it on the board, slice it into strips, and hit it with a generous dusting of smoky paprika, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper. Don't be shy. The paprika is what gives this meal its punch. Now, while that's marinating for a moment, crack open a can of chickpeas. Rinse them well. No one wants that tinny taste. Next, grab your peppers. Red, yellow, whatever you fancy. Slice them into thick strips. The color and crunch here are essential. It's not just about nutrition, it's about making your lunch look like something you actually want to eat. Now heat a non-stick skillet on high. You want it screaming hot. Drizzle in a splash of olive oil and toss in your chicken. Hear that sizzle? That's where the flavor starts. Let the chicken sear for 2 minutes on each side. Don't overcrowd the pan, give it space to breathe. Add the peppers and chickpeas right into the skillet. Stir, let everything mingle, and soak up those smoky juices. You want caramelized edges on the peppers, and juicy, golden chicken. Once cooked, pull the pan off the heat. Grab your glass meal prep container. No plastic, please. We're not animals. Spoon in a hearty portion, making sure you get a bit of everything in every bite. Look at that. You've just prepped a meal that'll power you through the longest afternoon. This isn't just food, it's fuel. You're getting lean protein, slow-burning fiber, and bold, satisfying flavors. No more bland, soggy lunches. Just real food, real fast. If you want to win at your day, you've got to start with what's on your plate. And don't forget, this box is perfect for batch prep. Double the recipe, fill up your containers, and you're sorted for the week. There's no excuse for grabbing a greasy takeaway when you've got this ready to go. You've just set yourself up for success in under 10 minutes. Next, let's elevate your lunch with the garlic steak and green bean bowl. This one's a knockout, 520 calories, 45 grams of protein, and 8 grams of fiber, all in 8 minutes flat. Forget the limp sandwiches and sad desk salads. This is what you should be eating if you want to crush your afternoon, not just survive it. Start by grabbing a lean sirloin steak, slice it into thin strips against the grain. This keeps it tender, even if you're reheating it later. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a good hit of garlic powder. Don't skimp on the garlic, it's what gives this dish its punch and keeps it from being boring. Green beans, trim the ends, keep them whole for bite and crunch. Now, pre-measure some cooked brown rice. You can use those microwave packets if you're in a rush. No one's judging. The goal here is speed, not suffering. Get your skillet smoking hot. Don't be gentle. Add a drizzle of oil, then toss in the steak strips. Listen for that aggressive sizzle. Move fast. Steak cooks in seconds. 1 minute per side is all it takes for a perfect sear. Pull the steak out and let it rest. Into the same pan, throw in your green beans. Let them blister a bit, then add a splash of water to steam and soften. Toss in the rice, warm it through, and hit it with a little more garlic. Now, bring the steak back in, let everything mingle for 30 seconds, and you're done. Spoon this glorious mixture into your meal prep container. Look at that color, the juices running into the rice, the fresh green beans. This is not rabbit food. This is a grown-up's lunch. What I love about this bowl is the balance. Lean beef for iron and protein, beans for crunch and fiber, and rice for slow energy. It's a meal that works as hard as you do, and it reheats beautifully, so you never have to dread lunchtime again. Batch these out for the week, and you'll never be tempted by a vending machine again. You're fueling your body, building muscle, and melting fat, all while eating like a king. That's how you win at meal prep. Moving on, this one's for the true hustlers. The tuna and white bean desk bowl is your no-cook, 5-minute miracle, 430 calories, 38 grams of protein, and a whopping 12 grams of fiber. If you've got a can opener and a fork, you're halfway there. No stove, no excuses. Start with a can of high-quality tuna packed in water. Drain it well. No one wants watery salad. Next, grab a can of white beans. Cannellini or navy beans work brilliantly. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water to wash away that starchy residue. In a big bowl, combine the tuna and beans. Add a handful of chopped fresh parsley for brightness. Now, here's where the magic happens. A glug of good olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a crack of black pepper. Stir it all together. Get everything coated and glistening. You want every bite to have that creamy, savory, tangy hit. For extra crunch, toss in a few thinly sliced radishes or some diced celery. This is where you can get creative with what's in your fridge. Leftover peppers, a handful of arugula, whatever you've got. Spoon the mixture into your meal prep container. That's right. In less time than it takes to scroll social media, you've made a protein-packed, fiber-rich meal that'll keep you full all afternoon. What I love about this bowl is the simplicity. No fancy tools, no reheating, just real food that works for you. It's perfect for those days when you're chained to your desk but refuse to compromise on nutrition. Batch it out for 2 or 3 days, and you'll always have a healthy option ready. No more excuses, no more hunger pangs. You're in control, and you're eating like a champion. Last, but absolutely not least, the turkey egg spinach wrap. This is a meal that does it all. 510 calories, 47 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fiber, all in just 9 minutes. It's portable, satisfying, and absolutely packed with flavor. Start with lean ground turkey, season it with salt, pepper, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a touch of cumin for warmth. Brown it fast in a hot non-stick skillet, breaking it up as you go. You want golden, crispy bits, none of that gray, bland mince. Once the turkey's nearly done, crack in 2 eggs. Stir quickly, scrambling them right into the meat. The eggs make everything creamy and boost the protein even higher. Now, handfuls of fresh spinach. Fold it in and let it wilt down. The spinach adds color, nutrients, and a bit of bite. Next, grab a large whole grain wrap. Spoon the turkey egg spinach mixture down the middle, top with a little grated cheese if you fancy, and roll it up tight. Slice it in half for that satisfying cross-section reveal. This wrap is a powerhouse, perfect for grabbing on your way out the door or packing into your work bag for a midday boost. It's got everything: protein, fiber, flavor, and convenience. If you're prepping for the week, wrap these in parchment and foil, and they'll keep perfectly in the fridge. Just grab, go, and you're set. No more sad vending machine snacks or greasy takeout. This is how busy professionals eat when they're serious about their health and their hustle. Fast, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. That's how you meal prep like a pro. There you have it. 4 power-packed meals, all under 10 minutes each one, designed to melt belly fat and keep you firing on all cylinders. No more excuses, no more bland, boring lunches. You've got the tools, the recipes, and the know-how to eat like a champion, no matter how busy your day gets. If you're busy but serious about losing weight, subscribe to SlimSync. We build systems for busy professionals. Every week you'll get proven strategies, quick recipes, and the motivation you need to stay on track. Don't just watch, join the movement and transform your routine 1 meal at a time. And don't forget, next video, the 5-minute office snack that stops cravings. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let's smash those goals together. See you in the next one.